And now it's starting. Kelly's one of my new favorites. There she is right in there, if you can see her. Gross. Okay, so there's Cindy and Rachel, I think. Like preparing for war, which cool. I love how everybody in The Walking Dead is a perfect aim, perfect shot. Just wash off their face.
Yeah, they did good.
It's a fun day at the river today, huh, RJ? Yeah. Let's see what she found.
Oh, she found a face. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, this game's Bonanza. Although that looks like the opening scene of Bonanza. And there's even one with the painted horse. She's Little Joe.
Come on. Hey! Shit! Come on!
Aaron, you're gonna get people killed riding off into, like... one of their camps, I think. Or somebody's camp.
It's a campsite. Couple people.
He's naked.
He's been here for a while.
In the middle of the woods.
At least one of them has been on our side of the border at some point.
Yeah, but when? What the hell happened here?
I didn't know they used the whole skin. Just the. I thought they just used the face. Oh, they were talking about Rick!
But people like the brave man are never really gone anyway. He lives inside our hearts and makes us brave too.
Fixing to make Michonne start crying.
Is anybody gonna say hi?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi, Mom.
Come on.
Poor RJ, he never knew Rick.
You too. Yes. And your dad.
Oh, you're gonna make me cry, Michonne.
Come on.
Oh! Satellites falling from space.
Is that a meteor shower?
Oh! There's Rosita's baby. How cute! Trying to sneak a peek. I see you there, Eugene. Oh, she does not want you to turn off that music. The baby wants the tune.
I'll take it.
Might not use it all or like any
I might
of
not
it,
use it
but
all or any of
thank
it,
you.
or
You know, ever since everyone got those damn radio setups, Eugene, this one's been doing nothing but talking. You gotta. Should she be here for this?
Laura looks so different without her.
Hey, kid.
Everything okay?
Everything okay?
Fine. Exactly the same as it was 20 minutes ago.
What's the big meeting for? Why are folks giving you the side eye?
Oh, I love
Same
this!
folks
I
on
love
you.
this thing.
What have you done in the past however many years you've been here, huh?
Me again.
What?
Someone found a skin.
What does alert mean?
You've been here longer. You tell me.
It means watch your
I
back.
like this. I like this whole dynamic. I like Negan with how he interacts with children or kids, because he's not as big of an asshole. But we like asshole Negan too.
Hey, boss.
He gets to pick tomatoes, which is funny. Oh my god, gross! Gross, gross. Squish it! Squish it.
Earth. I reorganized the meds. Infirmary's humming. Might have earned my keep for the day. No, who are we kidding? We're like
You're fitting to die.
apocalypse.
Or one of y'all is fitting to die because there's one too many doctors in the Walking Dead universe.
By the way, this yellow alert business? Damn. So, what's with this whisper? You want to get a whisper?
Oh my god, gross. Yeah, he's having some serious PTSD, which, rightly so.
I'm surprised you knocked
A bit of my wisdom.
Ew, gross.
The mouth of yours. You see, people tend to get mixed up on about who they hate. Decide I'm gonna brain somebody with a tomato.
So, you're telling me to lie?
As using the truth to manipulate. But hell, at the end of the day, if that's what keeps people
Negan's the
alive,
master manipulator.
what's the harm?
Yes, this is a superpower. I like that brow waggle. Daryl and Con.
just likes you better.
You just got a sign with a southern accent.
It's good to see you.
You too. You look good.
Yeah, when you run into your ex at our mutual friend's house,
Sorry,
that's what happened.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Think about those skin freaks ever again. What?
Well, we found the skin.
A deer could have fed 200 people.
I don't think that one little deer could have fed 200 people. That's a little bit of a exaggeration, I think. Maybe.
I'm sorry I pissed you off.
Maybe I was underestimating.
Sorry, you
Besides
pissed me
that
off too.
deer, but I don't think it's a 200-person
No
deer.
reason to start shit if we don't gotta. Get on the bike and go. See who's left.
He made her a bracelet.
Fine. No. What's wrong? Look around.
I don't understand. Let's light a fire to stop the fire. I'm confused.
All right, everybody, clear back.
He could at least put his hair back. No, you can don't be getting sick. Ezekiel, one of my favorite men.
Got your boss, Jerry. Pace yourself, baby. It's gonna take a minute. The fire was the beginning of the end for the kingdom. We're not letting that happen to Oceanside.
I'm out of water. We got walkers and fire and maybe whisperers. We don't know yet. Oh no, are those all walkers or are there some of them whisperers?
The Walking Dead is...
Earl. It's showing you need to put your hair in ponytail so they don't catch fire. Oh, they brought fighters from Alexandria.
We're helping with the satellite. 5 minutes and out.
Hey, Eugenius? What about radiation, man?
There's radiation all around us. Certainly there's radiation from space, but every one of us is already infected with some kind of nasty that changes us into epidermis epicureans at point of RIP. I mean, I don't understand what you're talking about.
I got it, man. No one's getting superpowers today.
Tomorrow.
I need you to stay. You still want to run away together? Think about it.
I thought about it. Nah, I don't feel like it.
Tomorrow.
What's going to happen? Punch holes on the boat. Look, I need you to stay.
Then we can't have no fish.
Just think about it.
Do they take their herds of walkers with them when they
What's
go
gonna
to
happen?
the
Punch holes in all them boats.
down south or whatever? There she is, Alpha. Does Carol see her? I don't know. Do they see each other? This is a fight, a showdown that's going to go down. Oh, show.
She presents a look at the next episode of The Walking Dead.
We are far from the enemy. Fear will subside.
I want this Beta. We need Beta.
The others have spoken.
I know. I don't know.
She unsettles the pack.
Relationship as best friend bracelets became official. Plus, Negan is finally free to pick fruits and vegetables from Alexandria's garden. But what will Alpha do now that the group has dared to cross her borders?
That
She
is
did
all
not look
for
too
this
thrilled.
stream.
And what's Cole's next
The
move now that she's locked
reaction.
eyes with Alpha?
Please
Well,
like,
tonight's
comment,
interviews with the
subscribe,
cast,
all the
including one from
things
the
that
set with
you
Denai
do.
Granada, behind the scenes look at the Six
Have
Guys,
a good
militia
rest of
training
your
on the
night.
beach. We're going to reveal tonight's code word for the Walking Dead Fan Rewards Club, plus an exclusive sneak peek of next week's